Carbohydrates have often been singled out as the single largest cause of various physiological problems. These nutrients, though they are the primary sources of energy for the body, are also responsible for adding to the sugar content in the blood. Most carbohydrates get readily converted into sugars and stay in the body till they are used. If the person does not exercise well, then these sugars can remain in the blood and cause other problems, weight gain being the least significant of them. That is the reason there has been a theory that by reducing carbohydrates in the daily diet, a person can live healthier. The very popular, and also very controversial, Atkins diet is based on that. We start our discussions on diets with this diet. We see why it is controversial and what kind of people can benefit with the diet. Low carb, no carb diets. Low carbohydrate diets, or no carbohydrate diets, are weight loss options that restrict the amount of carbohydrates ingested by a eater, while increasing the amounts of proteins and fats eaten. Different diet options allow the consumption of different amounts of carbohydrates on a daily basis. The most common of these diet types is the Atkins diet. However, there are other famous weight loss programs such as the South Beach diet. Here, we will focus on the Atkins diet due to its popularity. The Atkins diet advertises a weight loss potential of 6 kilograms (13 pounds) over 2 weeks. What is the basic philosophy behind the diet? The principle behind the low carbohydrate diet is that carbohydrates result in an increase in blood sugar level as they are metabolized by the body. This results in a reciprocal rise in insulin levels. Insulin controls the blood sugar levels but also causes fat deposition. Low carbohydrate ingestion results in less insulin production by the pancreas and therefore less fat deposits in the fat-storing cells. By restricting the bad carbohydrates in the diet such as white refined rice, bread, pastas and potatoes as well as sweet desserts, those who support this diet suggest weight loss will occur. Many supporters also encourage eating of good carbohydrates by eating foods such as fruit and vegetables as the major supplier of daily carbohydrate requirements.